Manufacturing quality is paramount when it comes to snow studs and equipment. That's why we, at Tire Supply Network, only sell Bruno Wessel. With over 50 years of innovation and experience, Bruno Wessel is the authority. Let's take a deeper look. All Bruno Wessel studs are made from the highest quality steel, as opposed to aluminum. Their high quality steel ensures durability and longevity. Studs come with either a 9mm or 11mm base flange. Studs will also vary in length. Before buying your studs, locate the TSMI code on your tire sidewall and match that code to the proper stud. No TSMI code? Take a tread depth reading and pick the stud length that will give you 1mm of exposed stud. The standard stud installation gun will get the job done, but in my opinion, it's going to be a painstakingly long and tedious job. That's where the highly recommended feeder boy option comes in. The feeder boy basket can hold approximately 100 studs and will automatically align the studs for installation.
Finding the correct tools from a reputable North American manufacturer will give you the peace of mind of a job done right.
Many months later.
Removing Bruno Wessel snow studs is a quick and easy job with the correct tool done the correct way. Let me show you. Now, what you're gonna do, a little soapy water. Then you're gonna take the tool, go over the top, go push down as far as you can, and then simply just tilt back, and the fulcrum here built onto the tool is gonna help leverage the stud out. That easy. Now you're ready for summer.
Winter driving can be intimidating as it is, but with the proper tools from Bruno Wessel purchased from TSN, you'll be more than prepared. As always, TSN has everything you need, from tire supplies to equipment. Thank you for watching.